The fuel filter is a general-purpose filter suitable for gases and air. It has a 50-micron rating. The body is cast aluminum and silicon. Inside the filter housing is a removable polypropylene fleece filter pad. The filter should be fitted indoors to either horizontal or vertical pipes and oriented so that the fuel flows in the direction indicated by the arrow on the side of the filter housing. The gas control assembly receives its commands from and sends feedback signals to the left bank CM558. The gas mass flow sensor is a hot wire sensor. The CM558 sends a current through the wire, heating the wire. The natural gas flowing over the sensor tends to cool the wire and lower its resistance. By monitoring this change, the CM558 determines the quantity of gas flowing. Positioning the sensor in the bypass passage provides less turbulent flow over the sensor and improves resolution. The fuel control valve is driven by a 24-volt pulse-width modulated signal that comes from the left bank CM558. This butterfly-type valve controls the amount of gas entering the engine for any given condition. A throttle actuator regulates the air-fuel mixture supplied to the intake manifolds to maintain engine speed at a given load. Increasing temperature or decreasing pressure will increase the duty cycle of the actuator and open the throttle to maintain engine speed. The throttle is controlled by the left bank CM558. The gas flows from the supply line through the manual isolation valve, fuel filter, pressure regulator with safety shutoff valve, high-pressure discharge valve, and gas control shutoff valve. In the gas control assembly, the fuel flows past the fuel inlet pressure sensor and the mass flow sensor. The assembly also houses a fuel control valve that regulates the amount of fuel allowed into the engine, providing mixture control. Fuel leaving the gas control assembly flows over the fuel outlet pressure and fuel temperature sensors. The fuel leaving the gas control assembly then goes to the two fuel mixers. It is here that the fuel combines with the incoming filtered air. The air-fuel mixture enters the turbochargers where the mixture is compressed. As the mixture is compressed, its temperature rises. To remove excess heat, the air-fuel mixture is sent through piping to the aftercooler. At this heat exchanger, the air-fuel mixture gives up heat to the coolant flowing through the unit. A throttle controls the amount of air-fuel mixture that flows from the aftercooler to the intake manifolds. There are pressure sensors before and after the throttle that measure turbocharger compressor outlet pressure and manifold inlet pressure. Additionally, a temperature sensor mounted after the throttle measures the manifold inlet temperature. This pressure and temperature information is sent to the left bank CM558 and is used for air-fuel management. The air-fuel mixture flows down the log-type intake manifolds to the intake ports in the cylinder heads. After the combustion in the cylinder, the exhaust gases flow from the cylinder head into the constant pressure exhaust manifolds which run down the center of the engine. The exhaust gases flow through the turbine housing of the turbocharger, spinning the turbocharger shaft. This drives the compressor, pulling more air through the mixers. Fuel is introduced as commanded by the CM558 to maintain the air-fuel ratio, and the cycle continues.